We were talking the other day that when we applied to become a crane operator years ago, we had to actually take a dexterity test where we had to take pegs out of a hole, turn them around and put them in. We had to put square pegs in square holes and round pegs in round holes, and we had to have some kind of a dexterity. To operate a piece of equipment, you usually develop a touch for the controls, and that's based on having good dexterity and being able to react to the machine based on pulling and tugging and using the levers. And that's one of the skills that are needed, because everyone in a crane swings left, swings right, booms up, booms down, hoist up, cables down. All right, we all do that. But what separates one crane operator from the other is what we call finesse. And that's something that you have to develop over the years. For more information, go to simscrane.com. A rigger, the basic skills of a rigger must know the 6 basic hitches, which are vertical choke, basket, double choke, double basket, choked with a shackle. Those are basic hitches that are used every day in the rigging industry. You must know the capacity of a choker, how to determine the capacity of a choker, and how to use it so that you do not exceed the capacity of the rigging. For more information, go to simscrane.com.